Okay, good morning, class. Good morning. Tumagno. Okay. Our topic for today was all about the blood components, principles of separation, and the indications. Okay. But first, we have a student named.
Balik. Okay, next story ako.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Good morning to you, my student, Aaron Mays B. Campion. And A. Okay. Okay, good evening, everyone. Okay, I have here a student, namely Aaron Mays, A. Campion.
Say hi.
Hi. Oh, hi. And also to my interpreter, our very own registered medical technologist, Miss Pia A. Palaran. Okay. To introduce to you our topic for today was all about the blood components, principles of separation, and the indications. Okay? To tackle about the history of it, okay, from 1628, William Harvey. Kailan ka na William Harvey? Ha?
Oo daw.
Okay. Si William Harvey introduces the controversial concept of circulation. Okay? Now, class, what is concept of circulation? Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, from 1628 to 1667. Okay, kailan ka ni Jean Baptiste din? Yes? Kailan ka wala? Okay na siya, karang siya. Okay, Jean Baptiste Denis in France and Richard Lowe in England separately report giving the first human blood transmission with blood from what? Lambs. Okay, kung sa ng lambs?
Wala siya.
Lambs nga na isa na siya animal. Nga, pero wala siya dito sa Philippines. Mapa na yun. Liyubat mo isa. Okay. To continue our topic for the history of the blood transfusion. In 1818, okay, kailan mo ni James Blundell, yan nakakaani dahil. Saan na ito? Bukan mo interpreter?
Siya pa na nito si Dungdung matabulan sa imong papel.
Ay, okay.
Sige, balik.
Okay, in 1818, ito, bulat yun siya. Okay, this advertisement was brought to you by Phoenix Gasoline Station.
Taas ang gasolina.
Taas ang gasolina kay giharangan sa taga-Iran. Okay, in 1818, okay, we have James Blundell performs. Okay, na-perform siya the first successful. Okay, katulad ka mga ni Agi, di what was siya success? So, karon ang pinaka-first successful transfusion, blood transfusion of human to a patient. Okay, when the patient, it's all about the human being or the living organisms like us. Okay? Listen? Agree with that? Okay, you agree. Our student agree. Okay, nakambak siya today. Oh. Okay, after ni James Blundell in 1818, ato na puta sa 1914. Okay, in 1914, the sodium citrate is found to prevent blood from clotting. Sa clotting? Okay, sodium citrate is found to prevent from the blood from clotting, allowing blood to be stored between collection and transfusion. Okay, muna siya in 1914. Okay, in 1936.
Nay, pangutan na yung estudyante, wala nang magtubag.
Okay, edit question.
Okay lang. Ato magtubagon ang mga pangutanan pero mag-lecture ta una. Ang pangutana after na sa lecture, ha? Dili na. Gusto ni mo mangutana pero dahil sige, istorya si teacher Tato.
Gikawat ay yapuan.
Okay, istorya si teacher ko. Sige.
Sandali na siya kay nung recess na daw siya.
Ayaw, ato na siya po. Dili na siya po. Ato bago. Dali. Kay namang yung ganahan ng mga estudyante nga mubalon sila kahit ipuranan, di ba?
Oo. Pulag lukot.
Sige na.
Okay. Okay, to continue our lesson. Okay, wala ba? Umana bang advertisement?
Mana.
Okay. In 1936, the Chicago's Cook, ay, luto na yun. Oh, Chicago's Cook Country Hospital establishes the first true blood bank in the U.S. or in the United States of...
Na siya pangutana. Ay sige na to bago ni
Asa mo na
teacher.
ko estudyante, eh?
To bago ni teacher dato sige pangutana.
Assignment. Okay, that will be your assignment.
Opo siya story.
Okay, story is
Oh, lagi mo to yung pangutana nga ngano ko nung mag-need mag-transfusion.
mo, galit niya siya, no? Pinaka-out... Ano? Ma'am! Ma'am! Ma'am, pakamanga daw dahil. Pakamanga, kapag ito nakashoes ito na. Hindi mo kamang na. Ang pala, nagurita lang kayo. Kaling si Binturo. Si Makayang Hits. Sige. Kumana tong lesson, eh. Hago na. Wow! No, sipon! Yan, itong pan... Ay, atong estudyante kay sipon.
Wala oy. Trabuhan na gani.
Lagi away ni Pia, oh!
Sobrang OA, apaka OA.
Wow!
Sige na, pangutana na ko kasi tayo mong ito.
Okay, that's an example of the lamb.
Ay, puro ka Punta na natin ikaw. Wala man ka namang giaway ko.
Away, nagklase man ta.
Oo. So,